वाला बना लेते हैं. Most of you did that right. Magnesium oxide is Mg2 plus O2 minus. अच्छा, the thing is, अभी तो आप देख के कर रहे हो ना, the ions, the list of ions, the list of acids, they should be on your fingertips. ठीक है. Plus phosphorus acid था, which is H3PO3. So इस reaction में, if you have a base, metal oxide reacting with H3PO3, it's going to produce a salt, which in this case is going to be Mg2 plus होता है, PO3 minus. So the acid, the H in the acid is neutralized. Mg is going to take its place. So it's going to be Mg3 and PO3 would be twice. Or plus water. Okay? Whenever you have an acid-base reaction, a water molecule is also produced. और फिर इसको balance करना था. So you can balance this equation out. Starting with the easiest first. Okay? I was looking at some of the balancings. So some of you were not actually starting with the easiest. वो सबसे difficult से start कर रहे थे. So always make it a habit कि start with the easiest to least number of places में आ रहा. For example, Mg over here is 3. So you're going to multiply this by 3. Oxygen को नहीं छेड़ना start में. H is 3 and it's 2 over there. It's in 2 places. So multiply this by 2, this by 3. So it's going to get balanced. PO3 twice है. PO3 automatically twice हो गया. ठीक है. And oxygen would automatically be balanced. 3 oxygens, 6 oxygens, that's 9 oxygens. यहाँ पे कितने oxygens है? 3 into 2, that's 6 oxygens. And there are 3 oxygens over here. So that's also 9 oxygens. So the most difficult one is that automatically gets balanced. And so you have other equations as well. So let's move to the third reaction. ठीक है, the third reaction is कि so reaction number 3. Now this reaction is कि इसमें you have a carbonate, a metal carbonate reacts with an acid to produce a salt and a water molecule and a carbon dioxide molecule. So there's going to be carbon dioxide, extra. There's an addition of an extra molecule. So carbon dioxide molecule would also be produced. I said, now this reaction, why is a carbonate reacting with an acid? Okay, so remember, carbonates are weakly basic. So acid by definition क्या होता था? Acid was a molecule that produces H+O ions. So carbonates are weakly basic. Basic का क्या मतलब होता? They were the opposite. They accepted or gained H+1 ions. तो इसमें होता है कि whenever you have a carbonate, so carbonates have a very strong tendency to attract H+1 ions. ठीक है, they can attract 2 H+1 ions to form H2CO3 back again. So they have the ability to actually, or they like to gain H+1 back. So carbonates are weakly basic. Sometimes they might accept 1 H+1. So they have this tendency to gain H+1 ions. Actually, what happens is, balki this is not the correct one. What really happens is, whenever you have a carbonate, so carbonate actually produces this O2 minus ion, जो कि H+1, it accepts H+1 ions to produce water molecules. So as a result, what happens is कि when you react a carbonate with H+1 ions, तो carbonate में जो O2 minus है ना, one of the O2 minus ions, जिसका वो basis में होता था, basis के अंदर भी मैंने यही explain किया था, why were oxides and hydroxides basic? Because they had this tendency to gain H+1 ions to form water back again. So the thing with oxide ions and OH minus 1 ions was that they had this ability to accept H+1 ions. इसलिए metal oxides and metal hydroxides were all basic. Carbonate pretty much has the same tendency. It has these oxide ions in it, O2 minus. वो H+1 accept करते हैं, they end up forming water. What's left is the O2 minus in carbonate combines with H+1 and forms water. It gains H+1. So what's left is carbon dioxide. Okay, so this is basically what's happening. Water and carbon dioxide are being produced over here. That's the reason why water and carbon dioxide are actually being produced, because carbonates are weakly basic. They have a tendency to accept H+1 ions. Okay, you don't need to go into a lot of detail about this. You just need to have a basic idea of why are carbonates basic, why are oxides basic, why are hydroxides basic, because they accept H+1 ions and they end up forming water molecules. Okay. Anna, is this clear? Sidra, clear? Mahat?
Yes.
Yes.
चलो ठीक है बस just the general idea ठीक है कि ताकि you don't have any questions कि why are carbonates reacting with acids, because carbonates are also they're weakly basic. Okay, we are interested in making the equation. I said the equation is exactly the same, ठीक है, no difference. बस वो end में there's a carbon dioxide molecule being produced. Metal carbonate. So metal carbonate, I said not only a metal carbonate, it could be any positive ion with a carbonate. ठीक है, मतलब CO3 -2 होना चाहिए. Whenever you have a negative ion, there must be a positive ion next to it. So it could be a metal positive ion, or it could be ammonium as well, NH4+1. Now let's pick any carbonate, magnesium carbonate. Mg is 2+, carbonate is 2-. The formula is crisscross, it's going to remain exactly the same. I'm going to react it with nitric acid, HNO3. So what's going to be produced? A salt, a water molecule, and a carbon dioxide molecule is going to be produced. So water and carbon dioxide, whenever you see a carbonate reacting with an acid, the water or carbon dioxide, वैसे ही लिखते हैं ना, ठीक है? That's already there. How is the salt produced? The H gets neutralized. And who replaces the H? The metal, the positive ion comes and replaces the H. So you get magnesium and NO3. Mg is 2+, NO3 is -1. You crisscross, it's going to be MgNO3 twice. So that's your equation. You can get rid of the charges. And this is your entire equation, which needs to be balanced as well. So we can try and balance this equation now. Start with the easiest. Okay, easiest is least number of places. So Mg balanced, most of the things are balanced. There are 2 hydrogens over here. There should be 2 hydrogens over here as well. So I'll multiply this by 2. And that pretty much balances everything. NO3 twice, so there was only 1 NO3 over here. Or N is twice, there's only 1 N over here. You multiply it by 2, so that's also twice. Carbon is balanced. There's 1 carbon, there's 1 carbon over there. Everything is balanced, so oxygen must be balanced as well. So how many oxygens? There are 3 oxygens over here, there's 6 oxygens over here. NO3 twice, so that's 6 oxygens, 1 oxygen, and there are 2 oxygens. So that is also the last one. जो सबसे ज़्यादा places में आ रहा है, the most difficult one, would automatically be balanced. So then we can have another reaction. Okay, aluminium carbonate reacting with nitric acid. So aluminium carbonate is aluminium is in group 3, so it's +3, CO3 is -2, so the formula would be Al2 CO3 thrice. And I'm going to react it with let's react it with hydrochloric acid, which is HCl. The product that's going to be produced is going to be a salt, a water molecule, and a carbon dioxide molecule. So these are going to be produced. Figure out the salt. The salt is going to be, the H will be replaced by the metal. So it would be aluminium and chlorine. Aluminium is +3, group 3. Chlorine is group 7, so it's -1. So the formula would be AlCl3. Get rid of the charges, and that's your equation now. ठीक है, so this is your equation. और इसमें आपका what needs to be done is you need to balance this. This has to be balanced. Start with the easiest, so we're going to pick aluminium. It's only in two places, so trying to balance aluminium now. Two aluminiums, so they should be multiply this molecule by 2. There was only one aluminium over there. The next thing is two places. Cl is only in two places, so there's 6 Cls over here. Multiply this by 6. So Cl is automatically balanced. So you can balance hydrogen now. There are 6 hydrogens over here. So you multiply this by 3. So then the least number of places where the remaining one is focus on carbon. Forget oxygen for a second. Carbon, how many carbons do you have? You have, there's only one carbon. You can brackets by 3, so that's 3 carbons. So I'll multiply this by 3. Now the difficult one would automatically be balanced. Oxygens kitne hain? They are CO3 thrice, so that's 9 oxygens. There are 3 oxygens over here, and 3 into 2, that's 6 oxygens over there. So that's automatically balanced. Okay. So this is a second example of an equation of a reaction. So अब एक काम करो कि I'll give you equations. Try and make. ये clear है ना? It's pretty much the same thing. Mahad, ये clear है? साथ clear है?
Yes.
ठीक है. तो it's pretty much the same thing. तो ये भी चलो छोटा सा टेस्ट है, ठीक है? We'll end in 15 minutes. Time limit होगी, so you have to do this quickly. So sodium carbonate. That's the first question. Plus phosphoric acid. Make sure you know the difference between phosphoric acid and phosphorus acid. That's N is in group 1. First, make a balanced equation. Okay? That's number 2. It's copper 1 carbonate. Symbol for copper is Cu. ठीक है, 4 equations. Let me, we have time, you get what time, so you won't be able to utilize that. Uh, make it 5 equations. ठीक है, 5 equations. साद, अहमद, कौन से क्वेश्चंस में पहुंचे हो?
सर 3 वाला कर रहा हूँ।
अच्छा बस ठीक है। अहमद तुम्हारा कंप्लीट हो गया? हो गया इसका कंप्लीट हुआ? अच्छा सिद्रा यू डन। ठीक है, जस्ट 1 सेकेंड क्विकली। मैं चेक कर लेता हूँ, 1 सेकेंड। अच्छा पहले वो सिद्रा का आई एम चेकिंग। सिद्रा कैन यू दिस द थर्ड वन, ठीक है, जो थर्ड वन थी, आई डोंट थिंक दैट नीडेड बैलेंसिंग। चलो मैं थर्ड वन बोर्ड पे करूँगा। थर्ड वन की बैलेंसिंग चेक करना, आई डोंट थिंक दैट्स करेक्ट। चलो बाकी में जल्दी से देख लो। एना कॉपर 1 कार्बोनेट था, ठीक है। थ्री ठीक है ना, दैट्स फाइन। ठीक से बाकी ने स्काइप पे भेजा, जस्ट 1 सेकेंड। ठीक है, लुक्स फाइन। ये वाला भी लुक्स फाइन। इससे वापस इसका अहमद, हाँ अहमद आपका ठीक है। एंड दिस वन थ्री एंड 6, दैट्स फाइन। Sidra, did you check your mistake? बस वो थर्ड वाली की बैलेंसिंग जो है, थर्ड वन।
Is it already balanced?
हाँ, because you didn't have to balance it. Well, it was already balanced. But I'll show you over here. I said this one. 1 second. Okay, third one here. Because if you look at the others, barium that's balanced. Let's go. अच्छा, barium is balanced. Sulfur एक है, sulfur is 1 balanced. H2, everything. Carbon is 1. So if everything is balanced, the most difficult one, oxygen, would automatically be balanced. So 4 plus 3, that's 7 oxygen. So this is 4 plus 1 over here, that's 5. Or 2 उधर है तो 7 हो गया, ठीक है. So everything looks balanced. ठीक है. So we're done with this. This was the third equation. अच्छा, इसके बाद we'll stop making equations. हमने इन्हीं equations से ना we'll do something else with these equations. वो फिर हम next class में try करते हैं. इसमें सारों के तकरीबन full थे. सिर्फ just one minor mistake. You tried balancing an already balanced equation, ठीक है. बाकी clear है ना? No questions about these 3 equations. We did 3 equations: metal plus acid, base plus acid, and we did carbonate plus acid. Now the main thing is जिसके ऊपर focus करना है वो किधर है, table क्या है. The main thing is ये जो table है ना of acids, this table should be on your fingertips. ठीक है. अभी I'm assuming कि most of you might be looking at this table. ठीक है. Now you have to make these equations without this table and without, sorry, and also without looking at the other table, ये जो ions का table था. मतलब pure table तो देख सकते हो. Pure table would be given to you, so I'm not asking you to remember the pure table because that would be with you, but you have to have these on your fingertips. ठीक है. So, well, if I tell you to write an equation, I mean, you should be so good at writing equations. If I tell you to write or to think of an equation, aluminum carbonate is reacting with with hydrochloric acid, तो instantly, ठीक है, आपको पता लग जाना चाहिए कि what is going to be produced, और उसका formula भी ना आपके मतलब it should be flashing in your मतलब you should be able to see the formula कि what the formula of the salt is going to be, what is going to be produced, water, carbon dioxide, ठीक है. तो these things, but you have to be so good with equations. क्योंकि आगे chemistry के अंदर you will have problems because this is going to slow you down. ठीक है, this is going to really slow down. कि अगर आइंस की लिस्ट आपकी फिंगर टिप्स पे नहीं है ना, या और प्रैक्टिस है ना, they will be on your fingertips. Try and make as many equations as possible. ठीक है, तो उसी तरह ना things will be on your fingertips. तो एक वो कर लेते हैं कि I'll give you some homework as well. ये पहले का ना I'll give you a homework which is going to be कि sodium carbonate की ना equations with all acids. ठीक है, make its equations with all acids. तो phosphoric acid के साथ तो बना चुके हो, तो जितनी भी equations बनती है ना, try and make those equations, or sodium carbonate with all acids. ठीक है, that's your homework for now. Actually everything is fine. बस वो जो मैंने कहा ना कि just don't slow yourself. Everything should be on your fingertips. Immediately you should know कि what are the products of a reaction. ठीक है, चले ठीक है बील, ये this is your homework. और ये फिर कल कंटिन्यू करते हैं. ठीक है, चले, any questions?
No, sir.
चले ठीक है, ये फिर कल कंटिन्यू करते हैं. ठीक है, ओके देन, ठीक है, अल्लाह हाफिज.
Allah Hafiz.
No.